Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. So, kind of, maybe as you can tell by the title, I don't really know what I'm going to title this, but this video is going to be a like de-haul, unhaul, the opposite of a haul. I'm not really sure how I'm going to phrase it, but what I'm going to be doing in this video is like doing kind of like how I would for a try-on like haul, but it's all clothes that I am getting rid of and selling on Poshmark. So like in that sense, it's like the opposite, you know? And then I'm also going to be donating a ton of clothes. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video, but first don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's get into the video. So first off, I want to kind of give the disclaimer. I went through my closet, got rid of a ton of stuff, and so majority of that is being donated, whether it is more used clothes or the same quality that I'm selling for Poshmark, because I just want to try to donate more. You know, it's the season of giving. It's December now, and so a really big thing that like me and my mom do is instead of donating our clothes and other items to Goodwill, we'll actually donate them to this other resale shop that we have here locally, and a portion of their sales goes to hospice care. So definitely consider that when you're going through your stuff and donating this holiday season. Goodwill is great and everything for recycling your clothing, you know, for people who like to thrift and whatnot, but trying to find a donation center that also helps to give to a good cause is just, it gives that donation just a little bit more meaning to it. So yeah, I have a ton of stuff that I'm donating, but I also have a few videos of me going through my closet from beforehand, and I show you guys like my methods I use to declutter and kind of minimalize more efficiently. So I'll leave those linked down below if you guys have any questions on how I go through my closet and get rid of stuff even when my willpower is like super low and I'm like, but what if I need this, you know? Happens. Yeah, so that'll be linked down below, and let's get into this de-haul thing now. So all of these clothes, as I said before, are going to be on Poshmark. I sell all of my clothes through Poshmark. You guys can download the app through the link in my bio. Don't forget to follow me, all that jazz. So if you see anything you like, you can own it. So to start things off with some accessories, I have a lot of sunglasses, too many, and I'm donating a lot of them just if they're like a little bit more beaten up or like just not Poshmark standards, you know, and not saying that all of my donations are crappy items. I actually have a lot of like never worn before clothes that I threw in my donation pile, just as more of like to make it even between my Poshmark pile and my donation pile. So if you're wondering, I did balance everything easily between Poshmark and donate. So yeah, sunglasses. I have these two that I'm going to be selling on my Poshmark. These are just freaking groovy, but I love them as like a prop and everything. Like they'd be like cool for like cool like photos and stuff, but they've just been sitting in my sunglasses drawer, and so I'm like, I know there's a sassy queen out there who would love these and use them a lot more than I do, so if you dig these, they will be on my Poshmark. And also, I just want to let you guys know, everything is very, very reasonably priced on my Poshmark. Trust me, I'm not trying to like scam out here. These, as you can tell, they still have the tag on them, but they're just like freaking cool. These are like, they're mirrored, they're sassy, they're like, hello, I'm a boss, I'm here. Another accessory item is this purse, and I really, really like this purse, but I just have way too many black purses. Like, I just have so many, and so I'm donating a couple. This one I'm going to sell. It's just a nice faux leather purse. This is actually a really good quality one. I got this one from Express, and it just has the one main zipper. I actually used this all throughout Europe, throughout my Europe trip, and I actually have boarding passes still in here. Don't worry, I will empty it before I ship it to you if you want it. But yeah, I used this all throughout my Europe trip, and it was so amazing, so handy, and it's still in amazing condition. So I was like, you know what, someone will enjoy this. So on to clothes. And I have a lot more on my Poshmark than what I'm showing here now. I have like a Poshmark bin underneath my bed that has all the stuff I'm selling in it, so I don't get it confused with my donations. Yeah, so if you don't see something in this video, there's still more on the actual app. So starting off, I have this dress. I've had this dress. I love this dress, but I just haven't worn it in forever, and it just needs to go to someone who will give it some more love than I do. It just has an amazing like graphic floral print, and it has this black outline that makes your figure look so much smaller. So it's very, very flattering, and it's a nice bodycon, and it's just the same on the back, and the back is a little swoop neck. I guess sticking with dresses, I have quite a few here. I have this very pretty long floral maxi dress, and it's kind of difficult to hold up here, so you'll just see it in the try on, but it's really pretty. It's a nice like blush color, and it has these beautiful florals all over it. I've never worn this actually. I'm kind of annoyed about that because it's so pretty. It has the handkerchief cut. It has a handkerchief cut at the bottom, so it's very whimsical and flowy. The straps are nice and like not like loose, like bad loose, but they're like stretchy, but they don't adjust. And then it has a zipper back. Another maxi dress that I freaking was in love with. I also wore this dress when I was in Italy 3-4 years ago, right after I graduated high school. So I've had it for a while, but it is in amazing condition. It's so comfortable. And this is actually from Hollister. Like, when I got this, I was like, dang, Hollister, you've really stepped it up a notch. But it has these cool cutouts right on the side, and then it's very flowy throughout the bottom, as you'll see. And it has adjustable straps. This is an extra small. Yeah, but this has been my favorite maxi dress. Literally, I never liked maxi dresses until I got this dress. Alright, moving on. Then I have this super cute romper. You can't really see it. It's like a maxi romper, so in the front you see the shorts, in the back it's kind of got the high-low thing going on, but it's like a deep V. The back has this opening, and then it also has a tie around the waist. It zippers down the back as well, and it has a button at the top of the back. And this is just a very, it's so cute, and it's so like contemporary in my style, but I've worn it once and then I just haven't had anything like to wear it to again. And then another romper is this super adorable, like kind of faux denim. It looks like denim, but it's not denim. Romper, and it has the, what is this? It has the lettuce cut at the bottom. It looks super wrinkly in this. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. But it's so cute, and it's so cute for the summertime. It ties, has this little bow at the top, and it's just such a cute little romper. And this is in a size small. Yeah, so pretty much everything is going to be in a size small or extra small, in between there. Then a couple tops that I have is this super cute top. It's like a nice light pink color with these neutral floral designs going about it, and then it has this off the shoulder little piece going on right here. Again, just never got enough use out of it, and it's so dang cute. I wore it one time with like a denim like with a denim like circle skirt, you know, the ones with the buttons up and down like the front, and it looks so freaking cute. But yeah, I think I've worn this like 2 times. And this is also a size small. I think I forgot to say the other sizes at the beginning of this, but I'll list everything down below, like direct links to each item, if you're able to do that through Poshmark. If you're not, I'm sorry, but if you are, they'll be there. Then this other shirt is just an off-the-shoulder white shirt. It's strapless, and then the sleeves are attached like this, you know, so that the whole thing looks off the shoulder, but you have a little bit more movement with the sleeves. So I really like that about this shirt. Again, I just never got a lot of use out of it. I don't know how. It's just a white shirt. It's so nice and basic, but I just never got a lot. I think I've worn this once. Then some more name brand things. So these items I won't be trying on because they are too small on me. But these are the Gymshark flex leggings, you know, the ones that give you the nice butt contour. I'll put a photo since I'm not going to be trying these on because they're too small. But these are in an extra small, and I didn't really realize I wasn't an extra small, and I was like, it shouldn't take this much energy to put leggings on. You know, so now I wear a size small in Gymshark, but these are an extra small, and I love these, so like it breaks my heart, but they deserve to be worn, you know what I mean? I've worn these quite a few times, so they will be priced relatively low. So if you want these, there's no pilling in them, none of the seams are messed up. Literally, they're in perfect condition, but they're just too small on me. I believe these are the fit leggings. Again, these are an extra small. They're just too small on me. My butt's too big, you know, it just doesn't fit. And these, I'll put a photo as well, since they look kind of funny, like holding them up like this. But I'll put a photo of what they look like on. But yeah, they're just this nice like dark charcoal gray, and it's got this teal band, and these have been literally worn by me like twice. You can tell because the tag isn't worn at all. Yeah, I think I've worn these 2 times, but they're just way too small. I can't do it. Alright, that is it for this little unhaul, declutter video and whatnot. Again, you'll probably see way more items on my Poshmark than what I showed in this video. I just thought this would be a really cool idea to kind of declutter and show you guys what I'm getting rid of if you want any of it. And don't forget, this holiday season, maybe look up some donation centers in your area that maybe also donate to a good cause like the one I mentioned before, just to give back a little bit more this holiday season. Also, comment below any videos you guys want to see for Vlogmas. I'm gonna kind of try to do Vlogmas. We'll see how it goes. You guys know I'm a busy gal, but I'm gonna try my very best, so comment any video requests down below. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and whatnot. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!